Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. I'm going to be taking a walk to our neighborhood park where I will be talking more about what we're going to do for today's activity. So come along with me. See you there. So boys and girls, we made it to the park. What a nice quick walk that was, wasn't it? So the first thing I want to show you are the butterfly habitat, because we've kept the butterflies in their habitat for a few days, but now it's time to release them, and so I wanted to bring you along to see this. It's going to be very sad to watch them go, but it is time to let them spread their wings, so check it out. So here we are again. And I have the habitat here. I'm going to unzip it and try to take out one butterfly at a time. Emily, do you want to? I put some oranges in there so they could. Here's one of the butterflies. This little part right there, boys and girls, that's twirling. It's like twirling into his mouth. That's called a proboscis. That's actually his tongue. That's what he uses to drink the orange juice that I had put in there. Isn't he beautiful, boys and girls? Here, Emily, you want to try? I'm going to transfer it back to Emily. Oh, there he goes, boys and girls. Oh! All right, that's butterfly number 2. And he's just landed close by. Maybe he's not ready to quite go yet. Here, let's go for butterfly number 3. Emily, you want to stick your hand in there? And just put it underneath him. Emily's going to try to grab the next butterfly. They don't hurt us, or we just have to be very gentle. He's there he goes. All right, let's try the next one. Here you go, Emily. Bring your finger. Okay, hold on. I'm a little bit worried. They're going to very excited. Gentle, just sit right there. Emily's just gonna sit there and let him take his time. He'll fly away when he's ready. I notice he has 1 antenna. Oh no, 2, from the angle that I was looking at. How beautiful his wing color is. All right. Looks like he's just going to sit there for a little while, boys and girls, and that's okay. So let's get this next one. This next one is sitting on an orange. Come take a look. You can see his proboscis is sticking out right there. Oh, there he goes. Bye, butterfly. So boys and girls, I have a baggie here. I'm about to take a walk with Emily. She's already started her hunt, and we're going to start collecting things and putting them in our bags. Let's go. Rocks. Another stick. Leaves and dry leaves. Very small dry leaves. on what kind of park you go to, you'll be able to find lots of variety of stuff. My park really doesn't have all that much stuff, but it's definitely something Emily and her brothers and I want to do, is go to some different parks to be able to find some different things. So let's keep looking. Let's go check out what Emily has found in her bag. What's in her bag? What have you found so far? There's Emily's collection so far. I found a lot of sticks too. I see a lot of tree debris over here, so we're gonna go try that out. So let's keep looking. Girls, we went to the park and we collected some nature stuff at the park. There's Chloe. And now Emily and I are going to sort and look through our findings. So here we go. Found some sticks. She also has some sticks in her pile. I have some little yellow flowers. What else do you have, Emily? Leaves. I have some, I guess I'll call these small leaves. We have the larger leaves. Just want to take an inventory of what I have because I'm going to be doing something special with my collection. Well, there are a couple of different things you can do with your collection. You can create a nature collage. So for that, you would need paper and some glue and create a masterpiece using the things that you found, which might be a plan or something that I might do later. Today, though, I want to create some patterns, some nature patterns with my materials. Nope, here's kind of a leaf. So I've got some groups. So Emily, can you tell me, why are these materials together? Why did you put these together?
Because they're all rocks.
Because they're all rocks. And I put all these together. I have leaves. I have a leaf pile, but I separated that into two piles because one is yellow leaves and the other are brown leaves. So Chloe's curious as to what we're doing. She can smell all the things that, because these were at the park, so she can smell those things. She can smell other animals on these materials. Oh, and she's trying to play with them too. Oh, she's trying to carry one on.
Okay.
She's trying to. Charlie was also curious. Okay, so now that we have our materials laid out, I'm going to create a pattern using what I found and possibly borrowing some of the things that Emily found. So come in closer so you can take a look at the pattern that I'm going to create, and then I'm going to ask if you can tell me what comes next. So I see yellow leaf, flower, yellow leaf, flower, yellow leaf. And what do you think comes next, boys and girls? Let me repeat my pattern again. Yellow leaf, flower, yellow leaf, flower, yellow leaf. What do you think is going to come next? Flower. There's my pattern, boys and girls. Now let's take a look at Emily's pattern. What kind of pattern is she going to make?
Stick, rock, leaf.
Oh, stick, rock, leaf.
Stick, rock.
And what do you think is going to come next, boys and girls? She has stick, rock, leaf. Stick, rock. What's next? Can you show us, Emily?
Leaf.
Leaf. So she had 3 different items in her pattern. Hers was more complicated and more challenging than mine. Hers had 3: stick, rock, leaf, stick, rock, leaf, stick, rock, leaf. And mine was a little bit simpler. It was a yellow leaf, yellow flower, yellow leaf, yellow flower, yellow leaf, yellow flower. So boys and girls, we can't wait to see what kind of patterns that you and your family create. Take some pictures. I would love to see what kind of nature items that you put on your pattern sheet. Again, when you're done, you can also create a pattern collage. You can also use, if you don't get a chance to go outside, use some of your toys and create some patterns using your toys. Teddy bear, car. Teddy bear, car. There's lots of patterns in our world, and I want you to go out there and be explorers and look for some. So have a great day, boys and girls. I hope you have fun with this activity. Thank you to my special guest star, Emily. Take care, boys and girls. Bye. I bet you can help me extend this pattern. Leaf, flower, leaf, flower, leaf, flower. What comes next? That's right, a leaf. Try this one. Stick, rock, rock. Stick, rock. What comes next? That's right, rock. I bet you can solve this one too. Brown leaf, yellow leaf, flower. Brown leaf, yellow leaf, flower. Brown leaf, yellow leaf. What comes next? That's right, flower. Try this one. Leaf, leaf, rock. Leaf, leaf. What comes next? That's right, rock. What about this one? Stick, rock, leaf. Stick, rock. What comes next? That's right, leaf. Try this last one. Small rock, big rock. Small rock, big rock. Small rock. What comes next? That's right, a big rock. Boys and girls, you're getting so good at patterns. I can't wait to see the kind of patterns you create in your home or at the park. And be sure to send us pictures. We'd love to see those. Have a great day.